and welcome to Beyond in Affinity Academy. I'm Chelsea. It's estimated that 8.2 million developers use Python, and it's getting more popular by the day. Where did this language come from, and why is it so popular? That's what we'll be talking about today, so join me for the history of Python. I'd like to share with you a principle for designing software by using Python. Beautiful is better than ugly. This is what's known as the Zen of Python. But where did this language come from? Let's go back to December 1989. A Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum was looking for a hobby programming project to keep him busy over the Christmas break. He named it Python because he was a big fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus. Guido would often work on it in his spare time or while watching TV. Programming is fun for me, he says. A scientist discovered Python in 1994 and was very interested in using Python for scientific use. Python was also used for web applications in the 90s. Python has really taken off in the mid-2000s. In the year 2000, Python was the 20th most used programming language. But by 2005, it was number 6, a significant jump. In December of 2008, Python 3.0 was released. You were either writing it for Python 2 or writing something for Python 3. Python is now the leading choice for languages in data science. High schools and colleges all around the world began teaching coding as a core skill, and much of that was Python. It's just so easy to learn. In 2022, Python becomes the top 1 programming language on the TOBA index. We'll end this with a quote from Zen of Python. Now is better than never. Welcome to the fantastic Python world. I am Chelsea. See you next time.